With the growing popularity of electric vehicles, many enthusiasts are considering installing an EV charger at home for convenience and sustainability. In this article, we'll explore the essential facts surrounding the cost of installing an EV charger at home, shedding light on the key aspects that potential EV owners need to know. Types of EV chargers. There are different types of EV chargers categorized by their power levels. Level 1 chargers use a standard household outlet, 120 volts, and are relatively inexpensive. Level 2 chargers require a dedicated 240-volt circuit and offer faster charging times. DC fast chargers are the quickest but are more suitable for commercial use. Cost of EV chargers. Level 1 chargers generally range from $200 to $600 depending on the brand and features. Level 2 chargers. Costs can vary between $500 and $2,500, including installation. DC fast chargers. Significantly more expensive, ranging from $10,000 to $40,000 or more. Installation costs. Professional installation is crucial for safety and compliance. Installation costs vary based on factors such as electrical panel capacity, distance from the panel to the charger location, and local labor rates. On average, expect to pay between $500 and $2,500 for installation. Permitting and inspection. Local building permits are often required for EV charger installations. Permitting costs vary by location, but can range from $50 to a few $100s. Inspections may also be necessary, with associated fees. Incentives and rebates. Many governments and utilities offer incentives and rebates to encourage EV charger installations. DIY versus professional installation. While some Level 1 chargers can be installed by homeowners, Level 2 and DC fast chargers typically require professional installation. DIY installations may void warranties and could pose safety risks. Maintenance costs. EV chargers generally have low maintenance costs. Regular inspection and occasional cleaning are recommended. Choosing the right charger. Consider your EV's charging capabilities and your daily driving needs when selecting a charger. Consult with an electrician to determine the most suitable charger for your home.